Guys, this is a sterling €0.5. It's 5 pins. Don't have a key for it, so I'm going to put tension on the pin side. Pick the standard hook. I've picked a few sterlings in the past and they've generally been quite easy. This particular one is a bit more challenging though. Particularly the pins at the front just lead you on a merry dance. Overset something, feels everything's gone to sleep in there. I'm just going to rewind the tensioning. Hear that little click there, something popping up. It's pin 1, I believe. May have overset that one. Pretty sure there are security pins in this. After a while you get to a full set. It would indicate the presence of a spool at least. There's probably more than one though. Frequency of full sets is somewhat dictated by the bitting of the key. If the spools are all kind of lined up vertically or roughly, you'll get to the full set more quickly. If the spools are kind of high and low, it takes longer. You can probably get less full sets. Quite prone to being overset, this one. Tighten up the tension a bit. Felt like pin 1's finally set properly. Okay, up 1 and 2, I think it is, or 3. Set. And 4 now. There you go, that's our full set I'm looking for. And pin 5, I think. Feels like. And we're open. Yeah, it's a good challenging lock that. I'm not going to gut this because it's I don't have the tools to non-destructively open a lock of this type.